Give me 10 minutes. I'm gonna make a quick raised garden bed cold frame. Hey guys, it's cold outside. We still have vegetables, broccoli. Doesn't make any sense. So I want to cover our raised beds because it's gonna get down to maybe the 20s. All the northern friends are like 20s. Everybody has treated fence boards. I'm gonna rip those. I took a 8-foot deck board and I made 1.25 inch strips. I got this sheet of plastic I'm gonna put over the raised garden beds. I'll put a link for you. And initially I was gonna make a wooden frame, put the plastic on it, hinge it so you can lift it and reapply it. But we're in a crunch. So I'm gonna do a quick method, same plastic, but we have an 8-foot by 2-foot raised garden bed. This is 10 by 20 feet. What's nice about that is it's all folded up. And I know when I unfold it this way, that's 10 feet. And I'm gonna cut the width, not the length. So my raised garden beds are just over 8 feet. So I want it to overhang, so it works out great. Then I just have to cut my width, which is 36 inches, but I'm also folding it over. I'm gonna go 40 inches. I'm gonna go 4 inches over what I need it to be, just to allow some room to staple. I just make my mark at 40 and then cut it. Again, I know when I roll it this way, it's 10 feet. So let's just do that. Got an 8-foot table. So there's 2 folds hanging over on that side and about 2 folds hanging over on that side. That's perfect. Want to make sure I get it centered on my table-ish. And then I'm just going to staple on the wood. Just lining it up with the edge of my table so it stays nice and square. Saw me rip these. I'm going to take my Ryobi stapler. I'm going to use crown staples because it'll hold the plastic better. Just going to line up my edge of my plastic with my 1.25 inch strip and then just staple away. And then I fold it over one time and I'm going to put staples on this edge. These boards hang off the edge for weight, which works out great. And I'm just going to roll this up so it doesn't fall off the table while I'm stapling the other side. Same thing. Just going to line up my edge of my plastic. Fold the wood over one time, staple this side. There you go. This one is ready. Okay, so here's the idea. We have been just using sheets or whatever we have. See, it's still green. Crazy. But let's see how it works. So the idea then is to hang one side, hang the other side. Look at that. Little greenhouse. Originally I was going to take wood and make a frame, put plastic on it, hinge it, you know, make it fancy, but this way in the summer we can just roll this up and use it next year. I like it.
So I just have to roll this back, and it's actually kind of watering itself because of the frost. But underneath here, look at these guys.